Hello students, welcome to our JEE Prep channel. Hope all of you are doing well as usual. Today we will do one sum on relative motion. Now let us read the problem. The velocity time graph for a car and scooter are as shown in the figure. This is the graph given to us and this gives the information about the movement of scooter and car. Here car starts from rest, that is from 0, and reaches 45 meter per second in first 15 seconds, while scooter is traveling uniformly with 30 meter per second. So what we want to find out, the difference between the distance traveled by the car and the scooter in 15 seconds and the time at which the car will catch up the scooter. These are the four options that are given to us. Now let's see what is the methodology of this problem and what to actually find. See, in this graph, we are given two vehicles, scooter and car. Scooter is uniformly moving with 30 meter per second right from t equal to 0 seconds, means right from beginning. While car starts from rest, attain maximum velocity at 45 meter per second in 15 seconds, and thereafter car is moving with constant speed, that is 45 meter per second. We want to find out the difference between the distance traveled by the car and the scooter. Let's first find out the distance traveled by the scooter in first 15 seconds. Now, as I told you earlier, scooter is moving uniformly with 30 meter per second. Therefore, for first 15 seconds, its velocity is 30 meter per second, and thereafter also it is 30 meter per second. Therefore, for the first 15 seconds, velocity is equal to distance upon time, and distance equal to velocity, that is 30 into time 15 seconds. So, therefore, total distance comes to be 450 meter. Means, scooter covers 450 meter distance in first 15 seconds. Now, let's see about a car. Now, car starts from rest. So, therefore, initial velocity is 0. And 15 seconds, it attained the maximum speed of 45 meter per second. So we'll find the acceleration first. The acceleration is equal to v minus u upon t. Therefore, 45 minus 0 upon 15, it comes to be 3 meter per second square. Now, why we have to find out the acceleration? Because we want to calculate the distance traveled by the car in first 15 seconds. So now let's use the formula for the distance. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Initial velocity of car is 0, therefore I substituted this as a 0. And acceleration is 3 meter per second, which we have calculated just now. Therefore, S is equal to half 3 into 15 square. And this comes to be 337.5 meter. So what is the difference in these two distances? Just a subtraction. So therefore, 450 minus 337.5 meter will give you 112.5 meter. So the difference between the distance traveled by the scooter and the car is 112.5 meter. Means scooter is ahead of car by 112.5 meter. Now we want to calculate the time at which car will catch up the scooter. Now we have already come to know that scooter is ahead of car. By how much distance? 112.5. Now we will find out the time taken by the car to catch up the scooter. Now after 15 seconds, scooter is moving with the same speed, that is 30 meter per second, and car is moving with 45 meter per second. So what is the relative velocity of a car with respect to scooter? That is 15 meter per second. That means car is moving 15 meter per second more faster than the scooter. Okay, and now car has to cover a distance of 112.5 meter. So therefore we'll use this formula of velocity equal to distance upon time in order to calculate the time taken by the car to cover this 112.5 meter distance. So the relative velocity is 15 meter per second. That is equal to 112.5 divided by t, and the t comes to be 7.5 seconds. So hence, time after which the car will catch up the scooter is 15 seconds, which already they both have covered, plus 7.5 additional second, which he has to cover 112.5 meter distance. Therefore, 15 plus 7.5 will give you 22.5 seconds. So therefore, the correct option is C. That is the 112.5 meter and 22.5 seconds. I hope you must have understood this problem. And dear friends, if you want to do really well in the JEE examinations and the CET examinations, I strongly recommend to subscribe our channel. Thank you.